Alright, day 2. Everybody's going to get fuel and fueling up. And we packed all of our stuff. We even got the drone. Maybe we'll get some drone footage today. And once these guys are done fueling up and I go pee, then we're gonna go. I don't know where we're going today. We're gonna go around. We made it to Mirror Lake.
Picked the place up for $1,500 back in 1964. My grandfather was a drinker back in the day, put him down. But a war is known to change a man, and the whiskey's known to change a man. That's not me. I rarely drink from the bottle, but I'll smoke a little weed. I still live in the sticks where you wouldn't go, in a town of 1,200 off an old dirt road, and a country boy is all I'll ever be. Now it's been 12 years since I sold my soul to the devil in He said, sign your name here on the dotted line, and your songs, they all will play. He set up shop on Sunset, he put me up at the marquee. He said, you wanna sell 1,000,000 records, boy? You better listen to me. He said, change your style, whiten your smile. You
could lose a couple of pounds. If you wanna live this life, you better lose that wife. Do you need your friends around?
I said,
All right, we made it to the top of, I have no idea what this is, but we made it to the top. And we are just about at the freaking top of the world. Except for that. There's snow. What do you think, babe? There's not a whole lot of air up here, is there? Well, Brandy's used to it, but there's not a lot of air up here.